Welcome back to Bikes Explained. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160 V4. With aggressive styling updates, refined performance, and tech-packed features, this motorcycle aims to dominate the 160 cubic centimeters segment once again. Let's explore what makes this version stand out. Design and styling. The 2025 RTR 160 V4 carries forward its aggressive Street Fighter DNA with sharper tank extensions, a reworked LED headlamp, and sleeker tail section. The bike looks bolder and more muscular, reflecting TVS's racing-inspired design language. Color options and graphics have also been updated to appeal to younger riders. Engine and performance. Powering the V4 is the same tried-and-tested 159.7 cubic centimeters air-oil-cooled engine, now further refined for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. It produces around 16.5 PS of power and 14.8 Nm of torque, offering smooth acceleration and solid mid-range performance. The 5-speed gearbox remains slick and precise, ideal for both city commuting and spirited riding. Technology and features. TVS continues to push the envelope with segment-first features. The 2025 Apache RTR 160 V4 now includes ride modes, urban, sport, and rain, allowing the rider to adapt performance on the go. The updated SmartZonnect system offers turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and ride stats via Bluetooth. A fully digital console with gear position indicator and real-time mileage adds a premium touch. Ride and handling. With its race-tuned KYB suspension, double cradle frame, and grippy tires, the RTR 160 V4 offers confident handling. Braking is solid thanks to pedal discs at both ends, supported by single-channel ABS. The riding ergonomics are slightly sporty but still comfortable for daily rides. Verdict. The 2025 TVS Apache RTR 160 V4 is a balanced package of style, tech, and performance. For riders seeking a versatile street motorcycle with modern features and strong brand reliability, this one checks nearly all the boxes. TVS continues to lead the segment with smart updates that matter. Outro. That's it for today on Bikes Explained. If you're considering a new 160 cubic centimeters bike in 2025, the Apache RTR 160 V4 deserves a test ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more two-wheeler reviews and insights. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.